In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all notes on Evernote. Exporting your notes is a great way to create a backup, move your content to another app, or simply keep an offline copy for peace of mind. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, using the Evernote web interface so you can follow along easily. First, open your web browser and log into your Evernote account. Once you're in, look for the main navigation where you can see things like notebooks, tags, and notes. Go ahead and click on Notes. This will bring up a list of all the notes stored in your account in one place. Think of this as your central hub, where everything you've created is visible and ready to be managed. Now that you're in the Notes section, the goal is to select all the notes you want to export. On many systems, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on individual notes to select multiple items. If you're using a different operating system or prefer another method, you can also use your platform's standard multi-select shortcuts to highlight everything you need. Take a moment here to make sure all the notes you want to export are actually selected. This step is important because only the highlighted notes will be included in the exported file. Once your notes are selected, look toward the top or upper right area of the screen for a button with 3 dots. This icon usually represents more options or an additional actions menu. Click on those 3 dots to open up the menu for batch actions on your selected notes. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options related to organizing or managing your notes. What you're looking for here is the export option. Go ahead and click on export. Evernote will then guide you through choosing the export format and where to save the file on your computer or device. After the export is complete, you'll end up with a file containing all of the notes you selected. Keep this file somewhere safe, like an external drive or a cloud storage folder, especially if you're using